Anticancer, A New Way of Life is a deeply personal and informative book by Dr. David Servan-Schreiber, a French neuroscientist and cancer survivor. The book shares his journey with cancer, detailing his own diagnosis, treatment, and recovery, while also presenting a comprehensive look at lifestyle changes that may help reduce cancer risks and improve outcomes. It blends personal anecdotes, scientific research, and practical advice for living a life that may help prevent or manage cancer. The book is based on Dr. Servan-Schreiber's experience and research into cancer and its connection to diet, lifestyle, and the environment. 1. Introduction, Dr. Servan-Schreiber's personal journey with cancer. Dr. Servan-Schreiber was diagnosed with a brain tumor in his late 30s, which led him to explore not only conventional treatments like surgery and chemotherapy but also alternative approaches to cancer prevention and recovery. In the introduction, he discusses his initial diagnosis and the challenges of dealing with both the emotional and physical aspects of the disease. The book starts with a reflection on how cancer changes one's perspective on life and health. His experience with conventional medicine, combined with his scientific background, encouraged him to seek alternative methods for improving his health, ultimately leading him to adopt a new lifestyle focused on reducing the risk of cancer recurrence. 2. The role of lifestyle in cancer prevention. One of the central messages of Anticancer is that lifestyle choices play a critical role in cancer prevention and treatment. Dr. Servan-Schreiber emphasizes that although genetics play a role in cancer development, it is often the environment, including diet, stress, and lifestyle habits, that have a more significant impact on cancer's growth and recurrence. He introduces the concept of cancer as a disease that can be influenced by one's way of life, rather than simply as an inevitable consequence of bad luck or genetics. Dr. Servan-Schreiber explores the growing body of scientific evidence showing how a combination of dietary choices, physical activity, and emotional well-being can contribute to creating a body that is less hospitable to cancer. He argues that adopting a lifestyle that minimizes risk factors and promotes health can enhance the body's ability to resist cancer. 3. Diet and nutrition, cancer-fighting foods. A large part of Anticancer focuses on how diet can help prevent and combat cancer. Dr. Servan-Schreiber highlights the growing scientific consensus that certain foods have anti-cancer properties, while others can fuel cancer growth. He advocates for a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory foods, emphasizing plant-based, whole foods as key elements of a cancer-preventive lifestyle. Key dietary recommendations include fruits and vegetables. Dr. Servan-Schreiber stresses the importance of eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants and phytochemicals. These compounds help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids. He highlights the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, and certain plant oils, like flaxseed oil, which help reduce chronic inflammation, a condition linked to cancer development. Minimizing processed foods. The book warns against the consumption of processed foods, sugars, and refined carbohydrates, all of which promote inflammation and cancer cell growth. Green tea and spices. Dr. Servan-Schreiber discusses the cancer-fighting properties of green tea, which contains polyphenol, and turmeric, which has active compounds like curcumin shown to have anti-cancer effects. He advocates including these in one's daily diet as part of an anti-cancer regimen. 4. The power of physical activity. Physical activity is another key element of Dr. Servan-Schreiber's anti-cancer lifestyle. The book explores how regular exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight but also plays a critical role in reducing inflammation, enhancing the immune system, and promoting overall well-being. Exercise is linked to reduced risks of several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Dr. Servan-Schreiber advises integrating regular movement into daily life, such as walking, biking, or other aerobic activities. He emphasizes that the most effective exercise is one that is sustainable and enjoyable, as this makes it easier to incorporate into daily routines. Physical activity, combined with a balanced diet, can also improve mood and energy levels, which are crucial for overall health, especially during cancer treatment. 5. Managing stress and emotional well-being. Dr. Servan-Schreiber also highlights the critical role of emotional health in cancer prevention and recovery. He discusses the link between chronic stress and the development of cancer, pointing out that stress can weaken the immune system and promote the growth of cancer cells. Chronic emotional stress is often exacerbated by modern life, and finding ways to manage stress is crucial for cancer prevention. The book recommends mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises as effective ways to reduce stress. Dr. Servan-Schreiber shares personal anecdotes of how he used these methods to cope with his own cancer diagnosis and treatment. He also suggests that positive thinking, emotional support from loved ones, and cultivating a sense of purpose are vital for healing and resilience. 6. Toxic exposures, environmental and chemical risks. In Anticancer, Dr. Servan-Schreiber examines how exposure to environmental toxins and chemicals can increase the risk of cancer. He explores the impact of pollutants, pesticides, and chemicals used in everyday products, like plastics, cleaning supplies, and personal care items, on the body's ability to fight cancer. The book offers practical tips on how to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals, such as eating organic foods to reduce pesticide exposure, avoiding plastic containers and choosing glass or stainless steel alternatives, especially for food and drink storage, being mindful of household chemicals, such as opting for natural cleaning products and reducing the use of personal care products with chemical additives. Dr. Servan-Schreiber emphasizes the importance of creating an environment that supports health, free from the harmful influences of modern chemicals and pollutants. 7. The impact of sleep and rest. Quality sleep is another fundamental component of an anti-cancer lifestyle. Dr. Servan-Schreiber stresses the importance of sleep for cancer prevention, as inadequate sleep can disrupt the body's hormonal balance and immune function, both of which are critical in protecting against cancer. He provides research showing how poor sleep patterns are associated with increased risks of certain cancers, particularly breast and prostate cancers. Dr. Servan-Schreiber advises prioritizing sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours per night, and creating a sleep-friendly environment by reducing exposure to light before bed, avoiding stimulants like caffeine, and maintaining a regular sleep schedule. 8. The mind-body connection. Dr. Servan-Schreiber explores the mind-body connection in the fight against cancer, explaining how our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors can influence the body's ability to resist disease. He discusses how fear, anger, and negative emotions can create a physiological environment that is conducive to cancer growth, while positive emotions and mental peace can help boost the immune system. The book encourages adopting a mindset of hope and resilience. Dr. Servan-Schreiber draws on examples of cancer survivors who used both traditional medical treatments and psychological strategies, like therapy or meditation, to improve their chances of recovery. He suggests that cultivating a positive mindset, developing a sense of purpose, and practicing emotional self-care are vital for anyone battling cancer. 9. The importance of prevention. One of the key takeaways from Anticancer is the importance of prevention. Dr. Servan-Schreiber encourages readers to adopt these lifestyle changes even if they do not have cancer, as they can lower the risk of developing the disease in the future. He provides evidence-based recommendations that are accessible to anyone looking to improve their health and potentially prevent cancer.